Welcome back to another video. In this video I want to show you something huge I've been working on. Actually, it's a little Jarvis-like AI system called Core, as you can see up here. And well, this second, yeah, it's working. Okay, so I will showcase what I did, and it's insane actually. Um, and I will talk about how it works and stuff. This is a really rough version. It doesn't work actually like it should, but some things are pretty cool. So yeah, first of all, this is based and Java's like AI based on the Google's API keys. So it works with Gemini and especially Gemini 2.5 Flashlight and 3.1 Flashlight. And it's pretty much lightweight. So I chatting a whole lot with it, and it keeps checking my calendar and stuff. I will show you that soon. And it does anything else. It's using API keys I gave it to. And yeah, it's barely even using up my money. So I think I used it 3 days now. Apparently, since 3 days, it's actually really working like it should be, and I've been improving it the last 3 days. And before that was a rough version, so I didn't really do much. Yeah, API calls, but in that time, in these 3 days, I was like from 0 to 0 basically talking to it, and the whole day it just used up 5 cents by now. So in the whole time I have this set up, which is about a week. Yeah, before that I used free keys, so they don't use up money. They just work for like a few requests, and then they shut down for 5 minutes just for trying out. Then I upgraded to Google AI Pro, and now I have high quota limits and also these $10 of API key a month. And this thing is using up 5 cents, not really much, and I've been talking a lot to it. So that's how it works. And I have a fallback. So it first tries to use a free key. If the free key is used up, it tries to use it tries to use the paid key, and if the paid key reaches quota limits, like $2, I set it on $2. So if it exceeds that, it won't work. Then it switches to Olama, or tries the free key again. So it's pretty much forgiving, and it also works offline with the Olama thing. And I use Whisper for the speech to text, and open text to speech thing also, and it's an open source. I can't remember the name. Yeah, so apparently it's working with offline stuff too. So if it notices, oh, I'm not online, it switches to Olama, and the Whisper and text to speech are also on my machine, which is really nice and working really good, actually. So, what I want to show you now is a bit of what is on here. We have a monitoring thing, which I can turn off real quick. So now it won't monitor my PC activity. I can activate it real quick. And for example, if I click on OBS now, sometimes it already said that, so I don't know if it will do it again. But it will ask me what I'm doing in OBS and stuff. No, it won't do that because it already did the proactive thing right there. It's a bit laggy, as you can see, not really working. We have a history, minimize, and a dark and light mode is super ugly. And then we have a brain. So I built a second brain, actually, as you can see. This is the tags we have. And as you can see, it's getting quite big. I won't click on any of it, so you don't see my personal data. Makes sense. But yeah. this brain is getting pretty huge. Um, it's saving literally anything I talked when I talk to it. It memorizes what I want, and so I'm building a little second brain here, and I can simulate it. It looks a bit rough, I know, but I don't know how to animate it better. Yeah. So now I will actually talk to it a bit. So we go into voice meter, and I will yeah, unlock it for my B2 mic because it listens to the out B2. Um, yeah, so let's do that. And now, as you can see, it won't do anything. Actually, I can talk to it, but it won't recognize me because I have to wake it up. And yeah, this is a thing. I can still use the text box down here, but then it won't speak to me. But we want it to speak to me, you know? That's what we want to test. So I say, hey, Core.
Yes?
So I'm currently recording a video about you. Are you okay with that? It takes some times, you know? Sometimes it's taking a little bit longer to process things.
I'm honored. Honestly, I love the idea of being the star of the show. Just make sure you capture my good side, though, since I'm just code, I suppose every side is my good side. How's the recording going so far?
So I explained a bit of your backend and how API works and stuff. So yeah, it's going good. But as you can see, it's the answering is really rough currently.
Sounds fascinating. Just be careful not to give away all my secrets, I like keeping a bit of mystery. If you need any technical details or a quick explanation of a specific feature to make the video even better, just let me know.
Sure thing. I wanted to show off that you are able to do stuff. So open Davinci Resolve for me, please. Now we'll do that. It takes some time. It's not optimized yet, but yeah. The base thing is working actually.
You got it, Finn. Opening Davinci Resolve right now so you can get back to editing that masterpiece.
Yeah, so now it's opening Davinci Resolve 21. Yeah, nice. So, what else can you do? Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Davinci Resolve is launching now, time to make some magic happen in the timeline. Let me know if you need anything else while you're editing.
As you can see, it's not really optimized. So it already opened it, and now it opened it. It's opened it. What? It is opening it again. So pretty funny. As you can see, 31 facts in here, and I can teach it something. Okay. What do I teach it? Well, apparently I want to teach it something. Let's think about one thing. For example, I could say that I use. What do I use? Ah, that's a thing. Oh yeah, I know something. Wait a second. So Core, I'm actually. Oh no. Oh. Uh. Well, okay.
I'm still here, Finn. Davinci Resolve should be up and running for you now. Need me to help with anything else while you work on that video?
Bit buggy. So I wanted to talk to you, and can you memorize that I use Python a lot, please, and Python Qt6? See, what's happening? What's happening? Processing it.
Consider it done, Finn. I've tucked away that you're a regular user of Python and Python Qt6. It's always good to know what tools you're working with, makes me a better partner for your projects.
Sure thing, and also note that I use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for web development.
Got it. I've updated your skills to include HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for your web development work. You're becoming quite the full stack powerhouse.
As you can see, it's added that into the brain, and as you can see, we have 33 facts now, and they are all in here in the skill thing. So programming language, we have Python and Python Qt6. And in here we have also, oh now it loads a bit, we have programming languages, the second, web development skills. So I use HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for web development. And as you can see, it automatically connected it to my work stuff, because there I have my main IDE in there and stuff, and it also connected that to some software stuff. So yeah, that's the second brain, and it's growing. I will optimize it to look better and also be better. Wow, it's it's a bit buggy. So yeah, so another thing I wanted to show you is that it can do other stuff too. For example, it could summarize the news, I think. I hope so. Let's see. Can you summarize the news for me, please? Let's see what it is doing. Oh yeah, it's taking a bit. That's okay. I will add some hard-coded stuff, so... Oh.
It's a heavy news cycle today, Finn. We've got reports that a missing American student was tragically found dead in Japan, and there's ongoing tension between the US and Iran with talks at a deadlock. Domestically, there's some political friction within the Republican Party, while on the economic side, a border closure is impacting the beef industry between Mexico and Texas. Lastly, Graham Plattner is making headlines as he addresses recent allegations. A lot to take in, but let me know if you want to dive deeper into any of these stories.
Well, thank you. That was a good test of the daily news model. I didn't even test it yet. I didn't really, you know. I have module structures.
I'm
so
glad I could
yeah.
pass the test. It's always satisfying when things work exactly as intended. Is there anything else you'd like to put to the test, or are we back to editing that video?
I'm still recording the video, and that's a good point. I will edit it soon. So Davinci Resolve is still open. Yeah.
Sounds like a plan. I'll stay out of the way while you keep recording. Just give me a shout whenever you're ready to dive into the timeline and start cutting that footage.
Sure, go to sleep now.
Going to sleep.
Okay, so final thing I want to show you. I will do that real quick so it can't hear me. A final thing I want to show you is that, for example, if I go into Steam, there we are. Now I'm in Steam. It will tell me something, hopefully. Yeah.
Steam is up and running, but since your schedule is wide open for the rest of the evening, consider it your official permission to enjoy some guilt-free gaming time.
See, that's a thing. So it checked my calendar and it saw, oh, nothing is planned for today. So I give him that game time. I will close it. So as you can see, it has a wide variety of things that it is able to do. And it has many problems still, because I didn't know how to fix it. So I edited the design of it, like colors and stuff. Um, because it's getting pretty hard now to do it. So yeah, I need some help of AI to do that because it's way I mean it's way getting ahead of my skills, you know. Um, I don't think you could do that alone as a yeah not really much experienced programmer. Like the back end is insane. What you have to do there, and yeah, everything. It's insane, you know. So yeah, I have the second brain, the chat, and that's about it. Uh, but yeah, I wanted to tell you on one final thing before I finish that video. Um, I have this made I made this modular. So if I want to add something, for example, that it is able to, I don't know, um, control my PC, then I just could add a control PC Python module and in a module folder, and it would automatically load that and check it if it's working, and if not, it won't use it and tell me that, which is a really nice thing. So it's modular and really unbreakable, basically, because the base thing is always there, and then you have the modules like plugins you can use. And the plugin Python script tries to check if they are working, the plugins, and if not, then it will tell me that it's not working and will not use them. So don't make like big error messages, you know, which is really really cool. And yeah, so that's about it, I guess. I made everything modular. Yeah, I told that. I don't. I mean, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I will now get something to eat because I've been, yeah, actually programming the last 7 hours. So apparently I should eat something and also get a drink. So yeah, stay hydrated and see you in the next video. Goodbye.